You got the best nutrients, additives, and lighting products money can buy, providing your plants the best quality and yield. However, many growers often miss the last opportunity to further push growth and ultimately reach new plateaus in yield and quality. That opportunity is foliar spraying. Optic Foliar's unique system works synergistically with your lights, nutrients, and additives to give your plants a new method to accelerate growth and hit new plateaus in yield. The unique 3-part combo of Optic Foliar's transport, watts, and rev provides an immediate impact on plants. Transport temporarily opens up the leaf surface to deliver the elements within watts and rev into the plant's leaves. Watts then immediately increase the production of photosynthesis by utilizing more lumens from your light source and resulting in more nutrient uptake from the root zone. The increase in photosynthesis then creates an immediate demand for nutrition that is not readily available to maintain the accelerated growth. That is where Rev steps in to provide a full spectrum of macro and micronutrients, as well as over 21 vitamins, sugars, and amino acids. This complements the increase in photosynthesis and directly push increased growth. Optic Foliar sprays are designed to increase the efficiency within the mesophyll layer by working synergistically with the lighting and root zone of your garden. The results are immediate, as proven by a private laboratory agrichem analytical from Vancouver, BC. Within 4 hours of being sprayed, Optic Foliar increased NPK content within the leaf tissue by 38% and micronutrient content by 65%. Furthermore, the NPK uptake from the root zone increased by 29% and micronutrients by 11%, all within hours of being sprayed, utilizing more light energy and nutrition from the root zone. Make the foliar spray mix more dynamic with the addition of a natural pesticide and/or Optic Foliar Attack to make a multi-purpose spray that provides performance while combating bugs and mildew all in one within one spray solution. All with the lights on, no damage, and only spraying the tops of the leaves. Optic Foliar is the only product in the market that increases the synergy and efficiency of your lighting and nutrients in your hydroponic garden, and can be used on new seedlings, cuttings, and throughout grow and bloom stages. Optic Foliar, the missing link in maximizing garden efficiency. Spray it, see it, believe it. That's Optic Foliar.